How to change who can see your posts on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you open it, make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to change who can see your post on Facebook, there are two ways. The first one is if you're going to post something, you tap on the option of what's on your mind. Then over here, whenever you create a post, you have the option to change who can see your post. Tap on the option of public, then this menu is going to open. Here, you get to choose your audience. If you want the audience to be public, anyone on or off Facebook, select the first option. If you want your friends to see your post, select friends. If you don't want anyone to see your post and only you want to view it, select only me. Then tap on the done option. Additionally, if you want this change to be for the future post as well, then you want to tap on the option of set as default audience and tap on save. Another way on how you can change it is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and get to settings and privacy. Now select settings. Once you're here, scroll down and get to the section of audience and visibility. Here, tap on post. Then from here you have the option of who can see your future post. Select this drop down menu and select your default audience. Now you can do the same thing for your stories and for your reels. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.